Assalam-o-Alaikum. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you most repeated MCQs. First, name the English poet of 18th century whose works included Rape of the Lock, Dunciad and Essay on Man. ये किसने लिखा था? अलेक्जेंडर पोप ने. Explanation आप खुद देख सकते हैं. Second, who wrote Clauses in 1960? The right option is Sylvia Plath. Third, in Chaucer's Legend of Good Women, how many legends are there? The right option is 9. Fourth, period in English literature from 1901 to 1910 is called Edwardian period. The Edwardian period of British history spanned the reign of King Edward VII, 1901 to 1910, and is sometimes extended to the start of World War I. Fifth, the novel Animal Farm was written by George Orwell. Eric Arthur Blair, known by pen name George Orwell. I would recommend you to read this novel. Sixth, who is the author of the book As You Like It? It's William Shakespeare. As You Like It is a play written by Shakespeare. Seventh, who uttered these words? Beauty is truth, truth is beauty, that is all. The right option is John Keats. John Keats wrote this line in one of his most famous poem, Ode to Grecian Urn. Beauty is truth, truth beauty, that is all you know on earth and all you need to know. I would recommend you to read Ode to Grecian Urn as well. Eighth, Tennyson was a Victorian poet. Tennyson was an English poet. He was the poet laureate in the reign of Queen Victoria. That's why we call him Victorian poet. Ninth, negative capability to Keats mean to emphasize. Third option, negative capability is a phrase first used by Romantic poet John Keats in 1817 to explain the capacity of the greatest writers to pursue a vision of artistic beauty, even when it leads them into intellectual confusion and uncertainty, as opposed to preference for philosophical certainty over artistic beauty. I hope you got it. 10th, to be or not to be, that is the question. Where do you find this quotation? The right option is Hamlet. The famous to be or not to be soliloquy comes from William Shakespeare's play Hamlet, written around 1601. If you have liked the video, do like, comment and share. Thank you.